In this video, we complete step 26, the nunique method. So nunique stands for number of unique. So this method will return the number of unique values for each column. That means it will return a data frame with the same number of columns as the original, but with a single row. That row will contain only integers, and the integer will represent the number of unique values for that column. So this is going to be fairly similar to the unique method, which we just completed up above. So we're going to follow a fairly similar procedure, but all we are interested is in the length of all the unique values, so the number of unique values. So let's start off by creating new data as a dictionary, and then let's iterate through the column names and their associated one-dimensional NumPy arrays. So let's loop through here. We're going to use items again to extract the strings and NumPy arrays from the dictionary. So what we're going to do here is pretty simple. We'll just say new data. We'll say column equals, what we want is just the length, and we're going to use unique here, of the value. And that's pretty much what we want. So we want the length of the unique values. Now we have to ensure that this is a NumPy array, so we are going to go ahead and wrap this around and make it a list with this with these brackets right here, and then put it into the np.array function. Okay, so that looks like that should work, and then we just need to simply return our data frame constructor and pass in this new data dictionary. So let's go ahead and see if this is going to work. Let's go ahead and look at it in the Jupyter notebook. Go ahead and restart the kernel just because I tested this out on my own, but let's just do it right here again. I'm going to just run through here. Okay, so we have our data frame, got 5 columns, and the data, some of the columns have repeated values. So let's go ahead and see, it's called not unique, but nunique. And if I can get the syntax right, you'll see that, okay, so name has 2 unique values, state also has 2 unique values, height has, they're all unique, so there's 3. School has 2, and weight just has a single unique value. So everything looks good there. Let's go ahead and run the test nunique, and we pass. So that looks good. So this is a fairly simple method, and we just iterate through every column. We run unique on it. We find the length of that, return it into array, and then we just return the new data frame. Okay, so that completes step 26.